I just wanted to give you a quick tip about what I think is the biggest mistake people make when they're looking to buy a home. You know how when you are looking for a realtor, you always hear about discounted or low cost real estate agents. They are everywhere. The problem is that these agents are not really actually cheaper. They just cost less upfront. What ends up happening is that these agents try to get you into homes that are not right for your needs, and they don't want to work with you over the long term. So what's the alternative? Well, it's a simple. Pick an agent who actually has your best interest at heart, who can help you find the right home for your needs and create a long-term relationships with the clients with trust and transparency. In other words, don't finalize your realtor until 2023. Do your research and then come to me.